Hello, I'm Ron from Coleno, the leading suite app for accounts receivables. In this tutorial, I'll explain how sales transactions affect your general ledger in NetSuite. So let's get started. The first object you have is the sales order. So transaction, sales, enter sales order. The GL impact is non-posting. There's no immediate effect until it is fulfilled. Then you have the order fulfillments that you will find at fulfill orders. The GL impact, it decreases inventory asset and it increases cost of goods sold. You also have the cash sales. So you can see here, it increases undeposited funds and it increases as well sales income. Next we have invoices. So here you can see the GL impact, it increases accounts receivable, the AR, and it also increases sales income. You also have statement charges. They increases AR and they also increase AR income. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.